We have PBB Jazz, we have Rain, we have Colette and Kai. Tama ba yung nakikita na? Yes, the PBB Gen 11 Stars. Present na present po dito sa red carpet ng World Premiere. My Love Will Make You Disappear.
World Premiere!
World Premiere of My Love Will Make You Disappear. Grabe mo support. Siyempre, sinusupportahan din nila dahil merong special participation dito si Fiak at si JM. So thank you so much for supporting the movie. Such an honor and a responsibility.
Wow! Responsibility!
Stage para makausap natin sila. Ngayon, tanongin namin, ano ba yung ina-expect nila sa JM Fiang? Ang movie na ito. Kaya ay very pasabog ang natin dito. Ayan, nandito si Jazz. Ayan, nandito dito sa stage.
Yes, magka-36 siya muna.
We'll wait for you guys. And our job for you guys will not be so
mag-a-appear na so nakamarketing na.
Yes, their love is appearing. Appear, disappear.
Oh, buti naman si Jazz. Yan, we have Kai and Rain also.
Colette, ayan. Go, rock the girls. It's your moment. Wow. Gen 11 Stars present in the house.
Excited din ako kasi ano kaya ang sagot para hindi na disappear ang love niya.
Hindi na natin mawawala yung sumpa ng ano siya.
Ano kaya sagot mo?
Parang meant to be single na lang ako. Meant to be together, meant to be single, meant to be single na lang ako. Kung may ahal ka na ako, mag-disappear lang ito. Diba? Pero tingnan natin, mali mo na magbago yung heart, may heart, yung ano sumpa.
Let's ask all hello, ladies and join us na dito sa stage. Thank you so much for coming us.
Ayan, welcome po natin. We have Jazz, Colette, Rain, and Kai. Ayan.
I want to ask you guys
Ayan, mga muna sila dito sa mga
reason why.
Corey.
It's amazing, it's exciting. We did much of us, so what's the last one? And this is our first time that we're here, so we're excited to see it. Hopefully you guys are excited to see it as well. And enjoy!
Excited ako makita.
Excited ako makapanood.
Yes, so tomorrow is the start now, March 26th. So please do watch. We're excited as you are. So thank you so much.
Of course, what can you expect dito sa mga kaibigan ng
Yes, hindi ko si
Fiang
JM,
and
tsaka si
JM?
Fiang. Ano yung expect nyo?
Oh, exciting talaga! Wow!
Well, excited na si Rain, guys. Pero thank you so much for coming. And thank you so much for your support sa My Love Will Make You Disappear. Ayan. Once again, the PBB Gen 11 Stars, Rain, Kai, Colette, and Jazz. And syempre, we have Shania.